Facing a tough electoral battle, the Congress made an array of promises in its manifesto, from a significant reduction in power rates, waiving off pending water bills, to Wi-Fi facilities in public transport and ensuring a graft-free administration if voted to power in Delhi. Congress said it will work towards slashing power tariffs to ₹1.50 per unit for consumption up to 200 units per month.
कांग्रेस ₹1.5 यूनिट जो है वो बिजली प्रोवाइड करेगी ऐसे तमाम लोगों को जो घरेलू इस्तेमाल के लिए बिजली का इस्तेमाल करते हैं.
The party also promised to set up cyber cafes, carry out major expansion of Delhi Metro, give concessional metro passes for students, increase pension to all deserving categories to 2,000 rupees per month, hike the salary of Anganwadi workers by up to 50% and provide 24/7 diagnostic centers in the state-run hospitals. While at the party's Delhi unit office, the party's election campaign committee met, which was attended by Kiran Bedi and other top leaders. The CM candidate of the BJP is going door to door to woo the voters.
मैं किरण बेदी हूँ, लेकिन मैं उनकी बहन हूँ. मैं उनकी छोटी बहन हूँ या बड़ी बहन, जो मर्जी, किसी की माँ भी हूँ. मैं ये इस एरिया से मैं किसी लड़की को ये महसूस नहीं होने दूंगी कि उसका गार्डियन कोई नहीं है.
There was trouble for AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal, with the Election Commission censoring him on his reported remarks that the BJP was inciting communal riots in parts of Delhi. The poll watchdog also issued him a fresh show-cause notice for his repeated alleged statements that while people should accept bribe from BJP and Congress, they should vote for AAP. He has been asked to respond to the notice by 27th of January. Kejriwal said that parties should refrain from mudslinging.
हमें ये बात करनी चाहिए दिल्ली के अस्पतालों में दवाइयां नहीं मिलती, इनको कैसे दवाइयां. हमारे ये बात करनी चाहिए बिजली बहुत महंगी और ये बिजली कैसे सस्ती करेंगे. गाली गलौज नहीं करेंगे.
The electoral battle in Delhi is getting quite interesting, with the Congress taking up the issue of power and water tariff reduction. This is an indication of populism taking center stage as far as wooing the voters is concerned. With Bureau Inputs, A.B. Singh's report, DD News.